Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Super Mario Bros. Galaxy surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Super Mario Bros. Galaxy surprise fold. Let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle here. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by making a big picture of Mario. So let's begin with his nose. So we're going to make the nose. We're going to put it right about here, just a little bit above the fold. So to do this, we just want to make a nice oval shape. So we're just going to draw a nice oval shape right here for the nose. Now, right above it, we're going to make the eyes. So let's go ahead and make an oval shape like this. And then let's make another oval shape right here for his eyes. Inside of here, we're going to make a smaller oval shape inside each one for the pupils. And I'm going to leave a little bit white for the reflection in the eyes. Now, let's make his mustache. I'm going to make a line that comes out here, and I'm going to make a line that comes out here. And I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down and up on each side. And I'm just going to bring it right down towards that fold. Now, let's make the top of his hat. So let's start here. We're just going to go down. We're going to kind of go up, down, and then back up like this. We'll make that little curved line across. Then we're just going to kind of go out and then up, out and up. It's going to go off the paper just so we can kind of fit everything in here. We're going to make a nice big smiley face shape for part of his hat. And we're just going to make these lines that go up here. We're going to go over, up and down, and then down and over for part of the M. Now, starting right here, we're going to make the side of his head. So we're going to make this line kind of come down and then curve in. And we'll do that same thing here. Just kind of go down and then curve in. I'm going to make a couple bumpy lines here for the hair, and then same thing here, a couple bumpy lines. Then I'm going to make a nice big oval shape for each ear on the sides here. Make a little bump and kind of curve it around, little bump and kind of curve it around. Next, we're going to bring this line down on each side, underneath the fold. And then we're going to make a little bump for the chin. Now, for his suspenders, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and up. We'll do that same thing here, kind of just go down. We're going to go over and then back up. We're going to make a circle shape with a curve down. Same thing here, circle or even an oval shape and just a little curve down. Make a line that's going to go out and down and then out and down for the sides of his pants. Make a curve here for the overalls. We're going to go across, we're going to go down, over, and then up. For the arm, let's make a line that's going to go down and over. And we can do that same thing here. Bring this down and then over. Curve this line and then curve this line. And we'll just bring a line down on each side. Now our next step is going to be to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Super Mario. So let's go ahead and work on the top part first. So let's begin by making a line that's going to go down and up. We'll go down and up, and then one more here to connect. Starting here, we're going to make this line come down, and we're going to make this line come down. And then we'll draw a line across here for the teeth. Now, starting down here, we're going to make a nice big curve shape right above the top of that fold line, kind of like a little smiley face. That's going to be the bottom of his mouth. We're going to make one and then two little bumps right there for the tongue. Now, let's go ahead and start adding some fun characters in here. So the first thing I want to do is let's start off with Bowser Jr. So I'm going to begin right here at the nose. Let's go ahead and make a little curve for the top of the nose. Then we're going to make a bump on each side. Let's make a nice big smiley face shape in here. Then we're going to make a nice tall smiley face shape. We'll draw another one right underneath there. And then let's go ahead and connect both of these. We'll do two little lines right here for his teeth. And a smiley face shape for the tongue. We can make two little curved lines right there for the nose. Now for the eyes, I'm going to make a circle on each side of the nose. I'm going to color in most of them, leaving just a tiny bit white for some reflection. Now for his eyebrows, we're going to curve a line down right on top. You want to make sure those lines touch. We'll make a point, and then we're going to come down. Let's do that again. We're going to go down and up, and then come down. We're going to curve this line to here. We're going to curve it up and down for the top of his head, and then bring it down to here. We'll make a little bump right here. And then for his hair, we're going to make these curved spikes that just kind of curve and then come down, curve and come down. Make a curve on each side. And then a line here and a line here. Right here, I'm going to curve a line down for an arm, and I'll curve a line down here. We'll curve it across, bring it up. Curve it across, and then bring it up. We'll make a small curve shape right underneath there. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and 3 bumps. Let's do that same thing over here. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3 bumps. Then we'll make a 4th one down here for the thumb. Then we can put a couple little spikes right behind him. And we'll make 2 little lines down here for his body. Now, over here, let's go ahead and make Yoshi. So to start off with Yoshi, let's begin with an oval shape for an eye. Then we're going to make a big curve shape for that nose. We're just going to go up and down, and then we're going to curve it back here. Then we'll go ahead and make a second oval shape for the eye. Let's make an oval shape that we color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white for the reflection in the pupil. We'll make 2 dots here. A little curve. Then we're going to go down and up here. A little curve for the tongue. And another down and up curve. We'll bring this over to here. Then I'm gonna go up and down for the eyebrow, and then the same thing right here. I'm gonna curve this around for his cheek. Then I'm gonna put a couple little bumps over here for his spikes. And then I'll make a little line here and here for part of his shell, and a little line here for it. Now over here, let's go ahead and make Frog Luigi. So let's begin by making an oval shape for the nose. We'll make a tall oval shape here and a tall oval shape here for the eyes. We'll color in that oval shape, leaving just that tiny bit white. Let's curve up here and curve up here. Then we're going to make some little bumps right around here. And then a little smiley face. And a little sad face here. Now let's make a line that's going to come down and up. And then right across the top of the face, we're going to make this curve. Let's connect this line down to the mustache. Then we're going to bring this all the way down here towards the chin. We'll give him these little eyebrow shapes right here. Then starting here, let's go ahead and make a nice big curve shape that's just going to come down to here. And then we're going to curve it to here. We'll make 1 and 2 little half circles. And we'll make this curve here. Put a little dot inside each one for the pupils. And 2 little lines for the nose on our frog suit. Let's curve this line down to here. And we're going to go up and down here for an arm. Down here for the body. For this arm, we're going to go out and down. Then over and down and connect. Let's make a curve for the glove. Then we're going to make a little curve here and a line down. We're going to make 1, 2, and 3 bumps right here. I'm going to make his little frog foot right here. So let's make a line that's going to go up and down. Point here and point here, and we'll curve up to here. Let's go up and then down. And a little curve for the bottom of the foot. Then we'll just add this little curve line there just to kind of shape out where the stomach's going to be. Now over here, let's make Penguin Toad. So let's begin with a curve shape. Then we're going to make a curve here. We're going to go down and then up, and then we'll connect it here. We'll color in 2 little ovals for the eyes. We'll make a smiley face that goes down and up for the mouth. A little curve for the tongue. Let's make a big circle shape here, and another one right here. We'll do 1 and 2 curves, and we'll put that third right there. We're going to bring the body here, and a little flipper here. Make the other part of the body here, and we'll just bring it to here and to here. and then a little line for the belly. Now, the final thing, let's add one of the little Lumas up here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down for the top. Little bump for an arm, and then a little bump here. Curve, and then curve. We'll make two little dots here for the eyes. Then a big mouth with a tongue. Okay, I know this is a long video. We're almost done. Let's go ahead and finish this off by drawing a line here. And then we're going to bring these lines up. I'm going to bring this down and this down. This up and this up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Super Mario Bros. Galaxy Surprise Fold. When we have it all folded up, we've got Mario just smiling. Then when we open it, we've got all the fun characters from the movie jumping out of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.